So here I am um, giving further comments on the whole controversy with Floor Jansen not liking Slayer. So yeah, the reactions. My god, it's fucking hilarious, man. So yeah, the reactions of the Slayer fans. So yeah, they're they're calling Floor things like bitch, slut, and whore, and all that stuff. Saying that she looks like a she-male and stuff like that. Calling her a lesbian and all that other shit. My guy, you're calling her a lesbian and a slut and all that stuff just because she doesn't like Slayer. And you're saying like, oh yeah, Nightwish is Disney music and it's music for little kids and stuff like that. I mean, you're calling Nightwish little kid music when you guys, who are supposedly the big guys, because you're listening to Slayer. Yeah, supposedly you're like this, and the way you're behaving because of this, it shows that you guys are the little kids. Like if Slayer is kid music. And of course, knowing how in this generation that you're gonna find the crazy ones easier on the internet. That it's easier to find the crazy people on the internet rather than real life. Obviously, you're gonna have people, freaking out on this on the internet, and in real life, you meet a Slayer fan, and yeah, they're not gonna care. And okay, there's this question, and it's a really good one because who knows? It might be true, might not. Did Floor do this to get more attention? Hmm. Yes, I have heard that they've called her a diva, that they called her mean and all that stuff because she didn't want to talk to fans, and that she got mad because someone tapped her on the shoulder. Yeah, I know some people don't like to be touched, like this and stuff like that. But a simple tap on the shoulder, I don't think Floor is crazy like that. Could she be doing this just like Rob Flynn did his racism in metal video? I don't really know. And yeah, who knows? Maybe she's a diva, maybe she's not. I don't know. The way I see her, yeah, she's just a nice woman who enjoys her career. And no, I don't think she should be called a slut or any of that other shit. Cause cause she doesn't like Slayer. That's very immature. And I think that most of these people commenting like that are kids who are still in middle school, kids who are in 6th or 7th grade, and who just barely learn how to use words like slut and whore and bitch and all that. Also, people in the comments have also said that she's aggressive for using words like boring and dreadful and all that stuff. it's just an opinion. If she said that about Metallica, Anthrax, or Cradle of Filth, oh my god, people would be all like, yeah, good for you, and all that other shit. They'd be like, oh yeah, no wonder, because those bands have always sucked and all that shit. Oh no, but then when it's later, you're like, oh, this bitch needs to die. She's a fucking lesbian. She looks like a she-male, and all that shit. Grow up, please. There's more insults on this. There's more insults on this than that story of Beyonce using the logo for her Slayonce slogan. You really can insult someone who has her own band, who does her own thing, rather than someone who uses the logo for music that has absolutely nothing to do with metal. Think about it. And what's also funny about the comments is that there's Slayer fans and there's Nightwish fans. There's not a fan of both. Yeah, I really can't believe that. And me, I like both of them. I have Rain and Blood and Repentless. Yes, it's hard to find the records so you can buy them for Slayer. Gonna plan on getting more. And hey, I also plan on getting a few Nightwish records for my collection. So yeah, there's no problem liking both of them and defending the frontwoman of Nightwish. When yeah, obviously I like Slayer more. I don't know how the guys from Slayer are gonna react to this. I don't know. Maybe they don't care. Maybe they'll shrug it off and stuff like that. And besides, also, just because both of them are bands in the same label doesn't mean that they have to like each other. So yeah, for all you Slayer fanboys, fuck you, suck it, and grow up. And also don't say the whole thing about, oh, Jeff Hanneman must be rolling in his grave right now. No. I think Jeff already knew that there's people who don't like Slayer. God rest his soul. I'm Demon Dog. I'll see you later, and as always, keep it metal.